Hey, sweet babies, and as you can see, we are about to do another Get Ready With Me. Yes, that is 2 in 1 day. Some last minute changes have come up, and we are going to step out. So, I have created a cute little look for this cute little old school throwback, little colorful, like outfit that I'm wearing. So, if you are loving this look with the nice pink lip and the flawless face, yes, and check out that eye, honey. Cat eye on fleek. Stay tuned, because you're going to get ready with me.
Rick and Thaddeus on the beat.
CP.
Yeah.
Feel me, man?
Yeah.
This just out the dome value too, nigga, you know what I'm saying? We had a little minor, major kind of, setback. But bitch, I'm back.
My head to the ceiling.
Yeah.
I know the feeling. My head to the ceiling. My mind on the million. Baby, my head to the ceiling. My mind on the million. I say my motherfucking mind on the million. My head is to the ceiling, my mind is on a million, and I'm gon' get this shit until I die. That's how I'm feeling. All these other niggas ain't with me, bitch. I done figured that out, my nigga, cause turned around, they didn't have my back. For real, my nigga, I'm running, bitch. I can hear my time. Ticking, talking, my nigga, bitch, so I gotta grind. I wish I would let another nigga go handle mine. Cause when it all fall down, bitch, I'ma handle mine. Calico 44s and 9, I keep them all the time. I wish a nigga would try me, boy, cause I ain't lying. It's just easier to creep when they on my side. It make it easier to sleep when they on my side. Beef, hey, you don't wanna try. Cause I'm that nigga who gon' let that shit go wet your side. For real, my nigga, fuck what you heard, bitch, we down to ride. Cause we the type to never leave the house without I set my head to the ceiling, my mind on a million. And I'ma make you motherfuckers feel me if you kill me. Yeah, you talking down, nigga, I can barely hear it. I'm the motherfucking best, nigga, point blank, period, bitch. Head to the ceiling, mind on a million. And I'ma make you motherfuckers feel me if you kill me. Yeah, you talking down, nigga, I can barely hear it. I'm the motherfucking best, nigga, point blank, period. They niggas talking down, they just do their job. I ain't mad at y'all, I'm applying y'all, bitch. That just make me hustle hard, that just make me hustle harder. I'ma feed me and spoil my daughters, make my son harder just in case you run across them. And I don't treat them like they kids, treat them like future bosses. Cause he future bossing, nigga only 5, he only wear polo, keep the sickest lacosses. Listen, I'm on some other shit. Any nigga talking down can't hear it, it's irrelevant. I'm way up here, I'm looking at the motherfucking ceiling, bitch. Stacking money from the flow, I'm trying to touch the ceiling quick. If you got time for hating on me, that must mean you on dick. Cause literally, I really ain't got time for that pussy shit, nigga, cause time is money and that money equals CP, my nigga, and you know that money be my set my head to the ceiling, my mind on a million. And I'ma make you motherfuckers feel me if you kill me. Yeah, you talking down, nigga, I can barely hear it. I'm the motherfucking best, nigga, point blank, period, bitch. Head to the ceiling, mind on a million. And I'ma make you motherfuckers feel me if you kill me. Yeah, you talking down, nigga, I can barely hear it. I'm the motherfucking best, nigga, point blank, period.
Yeah. CP. Yeah.
a nigga soldier hating. Go ahead, you don't know that shit just motivation. I ain't going nowhere, bitch, with complications. And in my motherfucking streets, I got registration. Nigga tryna fuck with me, bitch, on hesitation. We can set this bitch off, see who really fake it. When you fuck with real niggas, I see you be shaking. Nigga, y'all niggas really must got me mistaken. Nigga, don't take this for rapping a statement. I'm a real nigga, mean what I say in the statement. And I only fuck with Glock, cause it ain't got safety. Be the reason why your ass need face replacement. Taste this, I tell them haters get up off me. 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 And don't you niggas try to cross me. 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 You haters get up off me. 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 And don't you niggas try to cross me. Niggas try to cross me. Niggas try to cross me. Why don't you motherfuckers get it right? Cause the youngin' here be shining like a city light. Y'all niggas pushing with it dick. Y'all hermaphrodites. Fuck around and make a nigga make you get it right. I in your life. This ain't no stunt just to get a strike. Man, I'm sick of all these niggas who be on my bike. These niggas hating like some hoes, nigga, I suppose. Them niggas rather see me fall, rather see me fold. Them niggas supposed to be my dog, when they be my foes. I give a fuck, they niggas still try to hit my phone. Them niggas smiling in my face, talk behind my back. I tell them niggas suck a dick, can you handle that? And handle that. I tell them haters get up off me. 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 And don't you niggas try to cross me. 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 Hey, you haters get up off me. 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 And don't you niggas try to cross me. Niggas try to cross me. Niggas try to cross me. Bitch, cause I'm bossy.
Okay, my sweet love. So that was my get ready with me for this look with this cute little pink top. And you know what? Let me see. Yeah. Old school. So that's my little old school look with the cute little makeup, because we're going to go out and have a few drinks and get something to eat. It's a surprise to me right now at this time, so I can't tell you exactly where we're going, but I might bring you guys with me because the weather looks okay for the time being, but it's Florida and that could change literally in 5 minutes from now. So Loving this pink lip. Yes. All right, you guys. Well, thank you for staying tuned and getting ready with me for this cute little colorful eye and pink lip. And I'll catch you guys later. Smooches.